4 na convicted Chinese drug lords ang tahimik na nakalabas sa Bureau of Corrections bago pa man pumutok ang kontrobersya sa napaikling sentensya ni dating Kalawan Mayor Antonio Sanchez. Ayon kay Senador Panfilo Lacson, galing sa Building 14 ng maximum security ang 4 na Chino at may isa pang Chino na nakatakda na umanong ilipat sa Bureau of Immigration. Lahat sila umikli ang sentensya dahil sa nakuhang good conduct time allowance.
At least 4 of those released already last August 16 are Chinese drug lords. We're trying to look for the copy of the August 20 release order in favor of Mayor Sanchez. No? But apparently, nawawala yung kopya.
Naalala tuloy ni Lacson ang nakalkal niyang tongpat sa Bureau of Customs noon.
That's the reason why, maybe it's subliminal or maybe it's malicious or mischievous. Kaya ako lang naisip na baka naman per released